Question number 6 from practice set 1.2. Answer the questions with the help of figure 1.14. Answer the questions with the help of figure 1.14. This figure is given, one number line is given, some points are given and their coordinates are given. For point A, coordinate is 0. For point B, coordinate is given 2. For point C, coordinate is 4. And for point D, coordinate is 6. So student, what is the coordinate for point V? Coordinate for point V is 5 because 4 is the coordinate of C and 6 is the coordinate of D. So the coordinate of V is 5. Here it comes 5. Same for point A, coordinate is 0. For point P, coordinate is -2. So for point L, what is the coordinate? Here it comes -3. For point L, coordinate is -3. For Q, coordinate is -4. For point U, coordinate is -5. It is not given, but we can find out. Here for Q, coordinate is -4. For point R, coordinate is -6. So for point U, coordinate is -5. For point U, coordinate is -5. Now first sub question. State the points which are equidistant from point B. State the points which are equidistant from point B. Where is your point B? This is your point B. So state the points which are equidistant from point B. So which points are equidistant from point B? Point A and point C. Point A and point C, or point P and point D. Point P and point D. State the points which are equidistant from point B. This is your point B. So which points are equidistant from point A and point C? Next, point P and point D. So your first answer is state the points which are equidistant from point B, point A and point C, or second one, point P and point D. Second sub question. Write a pair of points equidistant from point Q. Write a pair of points equidistant from point Q. Now where is your point Q? This is your point Q. Again you have to write pair of points equidistant from point Q. So point R and point P. Point R and point P. Same point U and point L. Point U and point L. So answer is point P and point R, point L and point U. You have to write pair of point equidistant from point Q. So pair of point means first pair is point P and point R. Second one is point L and point U. Third sub question. Find distance UV, distance PC, distance VB and distance UL. You know how to find out distance between any 2 points on a number line. What is that formula? Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So first we will solve distance UV. Distance UV. So distance UV. Now coordinate of point U is -5. It is given. Okay. The coordinate of U is -5 and the coordinate of point V is 5. Okay, use that number line. So on that number line the coordinate of point U is -5 and the coordinate of point V is 5. Now compare. 5 is greater than -5. Positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. So 5 is greater than -5. So distance UV, distance between any 2 points on a number line is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Here greater coordinate is 5. So 5 minus of -5. Smaller coordinate is -5. So 5 minus of -5. But minus means plus. So 5 plus 5 equal to 10 units. So distance UV is 10 units. Next is you have to find out distance PC. You have to find out distance PC. So first write coordinate of P and then write coordinate of C. The coordinate of point P is -2. It is given. And the coordinate of point C is 4. It is also given. Now compare. 4 is greater than minus 2. Which coordinate is greater? 4 is greater than minus 2. So distance PC is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Now substitute here greater coordinate is 4. Then subtraction operation. After that smaller coordinate is minus 2. So 4 minus of minus 2. Open this bracket, minus minus means plus. So 4 plus 2 equal to 6 units. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 units. So distance PC is 6 units. Using same method, students, you can find out distance VB and distance UL. So homework questions, find distance VB and distance UL.